Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to clear your cache of Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Go ahead and open your settings app and then search for storage. Then what you can do is click on the Instagram option and then click on the offload app right over here. By offloading the app, it will free up storage used by the app but keeps its document and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Next, if that did not help on iPhone, what you'll have to do is go ahead and delete your Instagram account and reinstall it again. So yeah, that's it. This is how you guys can clear cache on your iPhone/Android Instagram app. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys did, make sure you hit that like button and that subscribe button, and do not forget to comment on this video. Thank you all so much for watching.